Welcome back to another video. In this video guide I will show you how to fix the sinking City 2 game crashing, not launching, black screen, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check for the syncing to City 2 update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear cache on Xbox. For that, deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. You have to press Xbox symbol on a controller. Now move down to Profile and System. Select Settings, click on System, click on Console Info, then select Reset Console. After that, select Reset and keep my games and apps option. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to Profile and System, click on Settings, click on System, click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open Settings, choose Device and Connections, click on Blu-ray, select Persistent Storage, then select Clear Persistent Storage. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open Guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again as you can see in the picture. Next, reinstall the syncing City 2 game. For that, press Xbox button controller. Now move to Buy Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select the syncing City 2 game, press Menu button, select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open the syncing City 2 official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise the ticket to let them know about their error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.